Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. If you're not new, just make sure you comment, like, and give this video a big thumbs up. But y'all, so I just got home. I came here. I'm looking for my tripod. That's what I'm looking for. Like, what did I come here for? I'm looking for my tripod. Oh, it's in here. Okay. I just want to upload my video because today's April 1st, y'all, and so new month, new blessings. Me and my son woke up, we prayed this morning, and hold on, y'all, I'm finna put y'all on tripod. I didn't want y'all to turn it around and around and around. That's why yeah, you just gonna leave it at that. That's why I was just like, yeah. But new month, new blessings. I'm gonna read my book today. I'm gonna start this book over. Let me get it for y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna read this book over, The Untethered Soul. I'm gonna read this book over because this book is actually good. I never even finished it. See, I got to chapter 2. I got to chapter 2, so I'm gonna read chapter 1 over, and then I'm just keep reading the book. I'm gonna read the chapter a day, and I guess when I do vlogs and stuff, I'll tell y'all what I learned. So by the time I come back on the camera, after I change this calendar, once I come back on the camera, I should have learned something, or I will get on here and tell y'all what I learned. Yeah, that's what I do, so y'all can see, so y'all can know. It said this book is, read this book carefully and you will get more than a glimpse of eternity. So I want to read that book, and I also want more books to read. So we're gonna find some more books, and then I'm just gonna put them in my Amazon cart. I did have a book in my Amazon cart, y'all. I don't know where it's at. Easter was very fun yesterday. My son had a time, and I'm very happy for him. Very happy that he had fun yesterday, y'all. But mama tired. I'm gonna clean my car out today. Finish cleaning up my house, y'all, because I came in the house yesterday and started cleaning up. So I'm gonna clean my house up today. Finish cleaning my house up. I don't even think I got a list. Oh, I got a book in here. It's called The Shadow Work Journal. Oh, that's that book from TikTok that I said I was gonna get. It's $17.99 on. We earn points on Amazon. What? Since when? Why was I getting him that big ring? That's cute. Okay, anyways, y'all. So that's what's gonna happen. That's what we're gonna do, and I'll talk to y'all later. Finna change this, make me a reel, and yeah, my YouTube has been growing, and I'm very thankful. Let's just have a peace of mind right now. Very thankful that my YouTube has been growing, because I really want to be a YouTuber. I say this all the time. I want to be a YouTuber so bad, like, and it's not even, I just want to be a YouTuber for the money. It's more so, I just like recording myself and talk to y'all, and it's really good. I really just like recording myself. But I'm gonna change this calendar, and yeah. So I read my chapter to my book, y'all, and what I got out of it was basically, so you know how we have thoughts in our head, and maybe I should write this down in on the back page. But basically, so you know how we have thoughts in our head that we say to ourselves that we don't think out loud. Basically, the book was saying that we can't control the outside world, so the voices in our head try to make us feel better, because we are humans, so we have emotions and we have feelings and things, so we can't control the outside world or other people. So when stuff happen outside on the outside world or with people, the voices in our head try to calm us down and talk to us and try to make us feel right or make us feel heard or whatever. And basically the book was saying, if you realize that, like, your inner thoughts or whoever, well, I'm gonna say whoever's talking to you in your head, but basically your inner thoughts, whenever your inner thoughts are going on, if you can control them and use them as motivation or use them in a positive manner, then you will be unstoppable, in that you will be able to do whatever you put your mind to. And I totally agree with that. But yeah, that's what the book said. So that's what chapter 1 was talking about. And yeah, I'll come back to y'all later when I'm doing something. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm gonna go through my camera, delete all the old stuff, download a video to my phone, edit that video, edit me a reel, and watch YouTube, because it's still early, y'all. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Like, it's early. So good morning, y'all. Well, it's not morning no more, it's evening, but I just came over here to talk to y'all because I just been down today. Like, as y'all see, I took my lashes off, y'all. My eye was hurting, like, right here. It don't hurt no more, but it was hurting right there when I had them lashes on. So I took them off. And yeah, today is one of my sad days, y'all. I ain't gonna say I've been sad, but today is one of those days where I just be like in my thoughts, in my head, in my feelings, and I'm just gonna share with y'all. So, cause I really don't know. I want to make my next move be my best move, and I don't know what my I don't know what that is, and that's what's killing me, y'all. Cause I really don't know what that is. Like, I really don't. And yes, I want to be a YouTuber really bad, but it takes time to grow a YouTube channel, and bills don't stop. I need to only go into detail eventually when I get to where I'm going. I'll explain my struggle stories, but right now I don't really want to. But yeah, I'm trying to figure business out. I have a great business idea, y'all, but it takes a lot of money to do what the business ideas that I want and that I have. So we're just gonna wait till we get there in life. But as far as business, like, I love my boutique business. I want a brand so bad. Like, I have some mock-ups, and only thing I haven't done is order the samples, because I really just, with having a brand, you either gonna put all the money up front, or you gonna do kind of like drop shipping. Like, you get a whole bunch of orders and then you have your manufacturers make the clothes. Like, you get your samples. Like, you probably get sample, I only say sample in every size, but at least like 2 or 3 samples maybe. And then you would have like a photo shoot with those samples, and then promote that, and then do your drop, and after you drop, have your manufacturer make all the clothes as the orders is being placed or whatever. And that sounds like the easier way, but that takes time. That takes a lot of time, and I like having all my clothes on hand and check quality and all of that first. So I really don't know that route. And then I also feel like I said that I wanted to be kind of like a wholesaler, kind of, but like for other people in my area that really want to start businesses and also be their mentor at the same time. I really want to do that because I feel like more people and more people and more people are going to want to do social media or are going to want to do businesses and just create their own wealth and work for themselves. And of course I have my degree in entrepreneurship, so in business, so I know behind the scenes, I know everything that comes with running a business. And I feel like I would be a great asset for somebody who's trying to start a business, because I'm very good at customer service and I'm very good at operating a business to keep it going and to where you're not losing a lot of money. Like, I'm very good at that, but I just don't know. Then I said I want to do ebooks, y'all, because I have a lot of knowledge, like when it comes to school, when it comes to how to get through life in general with like certain trials and tribulations. I have a lot of knowledge of how to get through life, how to keep going, how to be self-motivated, how to just be a single mother doing a business and going to school. Like, it's a lot that I can help somebody with. And like, my mama instilled a lot in me, and then I don't listen to her. I was supposed to listen to her. That would be telling a lie. I sort of listen to her, or I listen to her after the fact and be like, I should listen to her at the beginning. But if I'm talking to people younger than me, then they'll be like, okay, she done been through that. They might listen more. So I've been thinking about that. And then as far as like, well, we're not gonna get into that. I said I'll go into that later. But yeah, that's just what I've been thinking about, going back to school to get my master's. I really love school, y'all. One thing about me, I really love school. I really love learning. I love learning a lot, to be honest. Anything to make me more knowledgeable. Yes, that's a word. Anything to make me more knowledgeable and more on point, I like it. Yeah, so we're just coming out here about my rant. Oh, and then I have a very lot of knowledge about friendships and staying true to yourself and realizing like when it's time to let things go, as far as friendships, relationships, like everything, y'all. So yeah, I just want to come on here and give y'all a little rant, because this is what I've been in my thoughts about business, school, working, being a mama. Like, it's a lot, and people don't really know how much single mothers go through. Like, they really don't know how much single mothers go through. Like, yeah, we're not gonna be the first or the last single mother, but single mothers really go through a lot, especially like with little to no support. They really go through a lot. And just think about, I have one child, so just think about people with 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. Like, it's hard out here for a pimp. Like, let's be honest, it's so hard out here for a pimp. But I know I haven't really been doing anything because, y'all, like I said, I've been sad. Well, I haven't been sad, I just been in my thoughts, and I'm one of those people that be in their thoughts a lot. So I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all my thoughts, because y'all are my family. So I'm just coming out here telling y'all my thoughts. I'm really gonna end this video. I don't even know what this video gonna be called, because yesterday, I don't know what I started out doing yesterday. Oh, I did my calendar and I read my book, and I read my book today too. And so today it was talking about how basically your mind is your inner roommate, and basically saying the same thing you said yesterday. Just block out all the extra noise that your mind be telling you, and once you do that, you'll be a better person and you can do anything you put your mind to. I'm really finna go play the lottery. That's what I'm finna go do, y'all, because I told y'all I've been feeling so confident, and like, I just know my time coming. Like, it really feel like my time is really coming, and I really just don't even know ain't gonna say I don't know what that means, but it just really feel like my time is really coming. I just feel so lucky, so confident, so I ain't gonna even say so motivated, because like I just told y'all, today was one of my down days where I feel like so, not so sad, but I was just in my thoughts a lot. But it's still like I just feel so confident and so, you know, it's like a certain type of energy. I don't even know how to explain it to y'all. But yeah, I really don't know how to explain it to y'all. I'm trying, but it's just a certain type of energy, and I feel so confident and so motivated and like lucky and stuff. I don't really know how to explain it to y'all, but that's how I feel. That's really how I feel. So yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy my little rant about business and life and what I want to do, and about resetting my month, because it's April. It's only April the 2nd. Yesterday was April the 1st, and we just gonna go with the flow, you know. Don't stress, don't worry, because God got you. Okay, bye. See y'all in my next video.